In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your private servers on Roblox in 2022. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step to see all your private servers on Roblox in 2022 is to open up your preferred web browser and go to the Roblox website at www.roblox.com. After you arrive at the website, make sure to download and update the desktop app before following through with this video. After you ensure that you are running the latest version of the Roblox player, open it up. In here, to see your private servers, first find a game where you want to own a private server. So use the Discovery tab or the search function at the top of the screen and click on the game where you want to create a server. Scroll down until you see the Servers tab on the bottom of the page and click on it. In here, all you have to do is to click the Create Private Server button at the top of the screen. Include a random name and then click Buy Now. Afterwards, you will get a prompt to customize your server right away. You can close it and do it later, or you can customize it after. As you can see, you can allow joining of random people, allow only friends, members who are in the server, and you can also share this experience link. I hope I was able to help you on how to see all your private servers in Roblox in 2022. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.